From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC Chief Meteorologist Ron Roberts.
I was just talking about something that we're about to show you on the air that Jacob wasn't even born yet, but this is another new piece of technology. How are you? 18 over there someplace? Okay, 23. Good grief. All right, here we go. The jet stream is showing up with the reds. It's pretty easy. You know, the reds are the strongest wind, right? And so you see for yourself that the arrows and the wind, the red is going from northwest to southeast. This is a northwest flow event. And this type of weather pattern allows a number of small little upper level disturbances to come through and, well, produce a little precipitation. Also pushes fronts into the area. All right, so that's exactly what's happened today. There is a little upper level energy pushing across the Texas Panhandle. The reds again representing the strongest wind at just around 20,000 feet or so. And so with that in mind, we take a little closer look, and I want you to pick out this. Let's see if Lauren sees this, since she's Miss Colorado. Look at this white here. Those aren't clouds, it's snow. And when you get 10 inches plus, again, Brad Carter from Snyder, boy, one of our storm units there, he said maybe 11 and a half around his house. You can see for yourself from 10 to 14 inches of snow. Now, a lot of it's beginning to melt. It's melting pretty quickly at Lake Allen Henry, but there's your snow on the visible satellite imagery. Otherwise, when we look at Lake Allen Henry, and we'll pull it up here, and you'll see for yourself what was a big old snow of about 9 inches has now, for the most part, melted away. Good news. A lot of that water going into Lake Allen Henry, that sets over 93% of capacity of the lake. You can't do better than that on the lake, folks, and that is good news. The jet stream analysis will continue to show this is a trend that's been showing up. A little trough, a deep trough, and this deep trough will work its way our way as we get into the next couple of days. So, because we have that kind of lift, the forecast models are picking up on what? Yes, again, possibly some wintry mix on the way as we get into Tuesday, and then it moves out with another front on the way. And the 6 to 10 day outlook calling for below average temperatures anticipated with above average precipitation, especially to the north of us, but we're in it. And again, it looks like possibly some rain snow mix. Hey Jan, you got yourself a rain gauge. Get it set up in time because we're not too far away from those spring rains. Temperatures tonight 27 degrees. So sweater tonight, yeah, you'll need it. Hour by hour forecast temperatures continue to drop off. Look at the numbers. And we go above freezing just about 9 o'clock in the morning. All right, 58 because of the weak front, then a nice pop up. And then here comes yet another front, and temperatures are much cooler. And there we go. Chance maybe of a wintry mix again. Accumulating snowfall, minimal at this point. Now that I've just said the word minimal, it'll be maximal.
A new word.
Just made that word up. Yes. It just means that, you know, the forecast will be blown. We'll keep an eye on it.
Okay, Ron, thank you.